In today's video, I'm going to teach you here's how to create exotic, unique character voices in Suno. First, open your browser and head to sunoi.com. Log into your account or create one if you're new. Once you're in, click Create. That's where all the magic happens. Before we start crafting prompts, let's quickly define character voices. These are vocals that feel stylized and intentional, like a storytelling narrator, a cartoon-style delivery, a deep cinematic presence, a soft fairy or dreamy voice, a villain with dramatic flair, a robotic or synthetic delivery, or a fantasy-inspired tone. Knowing the vibe you want helps you direct Suno clearly. Begin by describing the voice clearly in your prompt. Use strong, specific descriptors in the style box so the model understands the performance you're after. For a mystical feel, you might write cinematic fantasy song with ethereal vocals and a magical tone. For a darker edge, dark cinematic track with deep dramatic character vocals. If you want something futuristic, electronic song with robotic vocal style and a synthetic tone. For narration, spoken word style with expressive theatrical delivery. Think of this as your casting brief, short, vivid, and focused. Inside your lyrics, you can guide the performance further with meta tags that shape delivery. Add tags like whispered, deep voice, theatrical, playful tone, narration, or character voice. Place them right where you want the effect. For example, character voice, dramatic, this is my story. These simple cues help Suno switch posture, intensity, and texture at the exact moment you need it. Next, match the musical genre to the character style. Certain genres naturally support certain voices. Cinematic or orchestral backdrops elevate narrators, villains, and epic fantasy tones. Fantasy or game-style tracks work well for mythical characters. Electronic or synthwave fits robots and futuristic personas. Theatrical pop supports expressive storytelling, while experimental music lets you invent unusual textures. Try a prompt like cinematic orchestral track with deep fantasy character vocals, dramatic and expressive performance. Layer in emotion to make the voice feel alive. Directional words like mysterious, playful, dark, whimsical, epic, ancient tone, or dreamy guide pacing, phrasing, and timbre. Even a single emotional anchor can transform a flat read into a believable character. Finally, avoid overloading your prompt. Keep it focused. Instead of piling on genres and styles like pop rock, EDM, trap, cinematic fantasy, hyperdramatic, robotic, theatrical, opera, choose one clear lane. A better version would be dark cinematic song with deep villain character vocals and orchestral background. Precision helps Suno deliver the exact character you're imagining.